Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to get out of a recovery loop on your Android device. So yeah, this is what I did. I looked at a bunch of other tutorials. None of them really helped, and yeah. So what you will need is a micro SD card, so you can put it in your phone. So you want to install on that micro SD card. Let's say you have Lineage OS now, but you want to install a different custom ROM, such as Pixel Experience or any other one that runs on your phone that you think you might like. And yeah, so you want to put that on the micro SD card. You want to put the micro SD card into your phone, and remember, don't have G apps also on that micro SD. Just have um, what do you call it? Just have another custom ROM. So put the custom ROM on that micro SD card, and then put it into your phone. Go into recovery. Obviously, wipe everything apart from. You can wipe internal storage if you want, but everything apart from the micro SD card. And then you want to go into install, and obviously install the install the custom ROM, and your phone should boot up. So hopefully everything's backed up to Google Drive or whatever you use. But yeah, that's what I did. That worked for me, and I hope it works for you as well. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.